What I've got here is the Instant Pot coffee maker. You get something like this as a gift, and as soon as you see the box, it's like, wow, I'm getting something nice. 40-ounce removable water reservoir. That means that you're going to be able to brew multiple cups of coffee every time you fill the thing up. Flat touch sensor buttons. You can brew in multiple sizes, 8, 10, or 12-ounce cups. And it comes with a reusable pod so that you can use your own ground coffee. Pre-infusion process extracts deeper flavor. The ability to get good extractions from whatever coffee it is you're using, that is the key to getting a good cup of coffee. Time to find out if it's all true. I got the basket here. Let me try to give you a close-up of it. You get this drip tray with the removable metal plate. I want to give you a close-up flyby of this thing. It's a good-looking product. It's going to look nice on your shelf, on your counter, in your kitchen. You pop open the top, stick your pot in, close it up, turn it on, lights come on. I'm going to get an 8-ounce cup of coffee. And we are all done. Time to try it. That's a pretty darn good cup of coffee. After using it just once, I gotta tell you, I really, really like this product. This Instant K-Cup style coffee maker over here, it's got a great look to it. It's very modern, it's very sleek. I think it does a great job. It made me a great cup of coffee. I know that I'm going to enjoy it for a very, very long time, and I hope that you enjoyed this video today.